Were you recently banned on Hinge, or even worse, shadow banned? Want to learn how to get back on? Stay tuned and we'll go over reasons why you may have been banned, as well as how to get unbanned from Hinge. But first, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I release a new dating advice video for men who want to go on more dates with women they're really excited about. I'm Emyli, founder of emlovz.com, and a few of my clients recently have been telling me that they're getting banned and shadow banned on Hinge. And so in today's video, I wanted to talk about different ways we can get you unbanned from Hinge that have worked for my clients, as well as reasons why you may have been banned or shadow banned in the first place. Why you were banned on Hinge. So Hinge won't tell you why you were banned, you just won't be able to log back into your account. You might try the same phone number, the same email address, or the same Facebook password, and it'll say, oops, something went wrong, but it'll keep saying that forever. Kind of rude, but as a business, they don't have time to figure out what's going on with each person. So when you get flagged, you're just banned. Reasons you may have been banned include you violated their terms of service, you tried to set up multiple accounts, you were mean to somebody, maybe you just didn't get back to somebody in time and they got pissed and they flagged you. Who knows? There's a million reasons why you could have been banned. Try not to do the things that are in your control, like violating terms of service, setting up multiple accounts. And keep in mind that Hinge is not going to tell you what you did wrong. You're just not going to be able to log back into your account. Now, let's go over a few ways that you can get unbanned on Hinge. But first, if you're liking this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're currently banned or shadow banned on Hinge, I would love to hear about it in the comments below, and any steps that you may have taken outside of what I'm about to tell you to get back on. I would love to hear it. How to get unbanned from Hinge. So guys, we're gonna take some steps to get unbanned from Hinge. Keep in mind that the app updates its algorithm all the time. So if it doesn't work for you, it's possible that they made a change in their algorithm that is now blocking the steps I'm giving you here. But also try to follow what I tell you step by step exactly as it's laid out to have the best chance at getting unbanned from Hinge. First things first, you need to delete the app. If you have access to do so, you want to make sure that you delete the app. Even if you can't log back on, hopefully you're able to delete the app at least through the settings on your phone. If you are shadow banned, you're still going to see your account. You're just basically going to be hidden, so you won't know that there's anything wrong, but you may have gone from getting lots of messages and matches before to getting none. That's a sign that you're shadow banned, so make sure that you delete your account. That's step one. Step number two, use a VPN to hide your identity. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. If you've ever logged into Facebook while in China, you probably already knew that. VPNs work by connecting you with a secure private server rather than through your ISP or internet service provider. In this way, when data flies through the internet, it's coming through the VPN rather than through an ISP. In this way, you're able to hide who you are, thus slip through undetected by the watchful eyes of Hinge. So set up a Google Voice number. You don't want your phone number that you used when you got banned to be associated with your new account. So you need to set up a new phone number using Google Voice. You'll also probably need to set up a new email address, which takes like 5 seconds, and you can do it through Google as well. But what you don't want to do is have your account connecting again to the same phone number, email address, Facebook account, Spotify, or Instagram account. So make sure not to link to any of those accounts when you do this again, and not to use the same passwords, emails, phone numbers that you used when you did get banned or when you got shadow banned. Next, you're gonna reinstall Hinge, and hopefully you'll be able to use new photos and new prompt response answers so the algorithm doesn't pick up on anything that you've used in the past. I will say there is facial recognition software now, so you never know if their facial recognition software is gonna catch that you're the same person from before, but the best way to avoid this is to use different photos. I have had clients who've been reinstated on Hinge that use the same photos, so it's possible that that will work, but if you can find different photos, I would encourage that. I hope this video was helpful in understanding some of the reasons why you might have gotten banned or shadow banned on Hinge and how to get reinstated. If you're still not getting the results you're looking for on the dating apps, my team and I are here to help. Book a new client session with me or a member of my team over at emlovz.com/book. During that new client session, we'll talk about your dating goals, any of the obstacles that are holding you back from achieving them, and we'll answer any questions that you may have. We'll also explain a little bit more about our coaching and matchmaking programs to see which one may be the right fit for you. That wraps up this video. If you've liked this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on social media. And again, if you've been shadow banned or banned on Hinge, I would love to hear about it in the comments below and what you did to get reinstated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.